Hello Pantry Purgers. This is what happens if you saute veggies without any oil and just let them use their own moisture that is in the plant to deglaze the pan. I have an electric stove, so when I do veggies like this, I put it on 8 or maybe sometimes on 7 depending on the veggie, because some of them don't have as much moisture, and then they stick to the pan more. So the way that you deglaze the pan is you either just put some water in or broth if you want, depending on what you're cooking. But this is how it's easy to saute veggies without any oil. When I first put these in the pan and I put it on 8 and it's just starting, I cover it with foil, and that traps all the moisture in here, and that's what allows it to not stick to the pan. Once it starts to dry out, you just add some water, and that'll deglaze the pan and get any caramelization off the bottom of the pan. So I just wanted to show you this quick little video about how to saute veggies with no oil. Enjoy!